We're on the first page now in 3 of the major cities we service. Jerry's been like super responsive and helpful and just nothing but awesome for us.
So hello guys, how are you today?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for joining. Can you guys both introduce yourselves?
I'm Taylor Hagen.
I'm Kristin Hagen, and we both are co-owners of Hagen's Junk Removal.
We got our first truck in May of 2021. We started doing it full time in June. That's when we had like this big influx and we got way busier than we thought we were going to be, a lot quicker. We both left our jobs that we were doing previously. We got a full-time employee, a couple part-time employees by September. In October, we bought a second truck. We just ordered a third truck that should be available come like June or July from JRA. So we've grown a lot faster than we thought. It's doing really good.
We have used JRA for a lot of different kind of pieces of the company. The first thing we did was reach out and see if they could help us create our website, which is awesome. We get compliments on it all the time. And then they continue to kind of manage that. Now, they helped us set our pricing for our vehicles, just kind of helped answer general questions we had that popped up as we were getting started. And then we got into SEO with you guys in November, and that's just been awesome. And we've seen some huge payouts already. Like Taylor mentioned, we have the new truck kind of in process right now for hopefully spring, summer. I have taken Melissa's Book More Jobs training, so that's fantastic as well. And then just along the way, Jerry's been like super responsive and helpful and just nothing but awesome for us. So we started, like I said, SEO in November. It's now February, end of February, and we're seeing just like huge payouts. We're on the first page now in 3 of the major cities we service. So that's just brought in a lot of organic clicks and calls. We're noticing a huge increase in both of those. Our organic clicks on call is up 92%, which is just incredible. And we've definitely noticed that we're getting a lot of calls from those 3 cities that we're on the first page in. We're super excited to continue using SEO and see kind of as the busy season kind of comes our way, how much more that business that's going to bring our way. So it's been awesome. Carly, you've been kind of creating our new pages every month on our website. It's been fun to see how those have like helped just our search, our ranking in Google and kind of all that fun stuff. So that's just a general way SEO's kind of helped business for us.
Great. Good to hear. Well, I always like to say Lee's main goal is to help junk removal businesses make more money and live a better life. So hopefully we have done that for you. So both Kristin and Taylor, thank you so much for hopping on with me.
Thank you. Thanks so much, Carly.